We are back. Now, looking at this expression, it has so many terms in it, and unlike those ones that we've done before, we've treated before, we always have brackets separating an expression or a term from the other. But this time around, it's not given at all. So we are the one that we are going to group them so that we know how we are going to find the factors. And how do we go about that? Number one, please identify your terms. All the time, all these ones, they have their terms. It's an expression, long one for that matter, but let's find the terms. This is a term, okay? And you will notice that this plus is not going with this 5p squared t. Reason, when you're having your minus or plus in between two terms, the plus goes with the term on the right. Is that clear? When you're having minus or plus in between two terms, the plus or minus goes to the term on your right. Just like this, the term that is here, this plus is separating this and this, like this. But this plus belongs to this term because these terms, so we are going to circle like this. So this plus goes with this term that is in this place. Okay, that is one thing I want you to take note. Definitely from what I've said, you can guess where the minus belong. Okay, it belongs to this side. It belongs to this side, like this. Of course, the minus there goes with this. Having done your identification, you know all the terms, 4 for that matter, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of them. So you group them into two, like that. Look at what is common to them that you make them to be together. For example, 10 is divisible by 5, 4 divisible by 2. So it's better that we make it like this and like this. Okay? Good. So, having done that, I'm seeing something here. It's like you are going to have factorization before factorization. Okay? So let's look at this. 5. Let's demarcate them. Okay? So 5p squared t plus 10p t squared u. Okay? So this is this. And let's do the same thing for the other side. Minus 2p u minus 4t u squared. So with what we have done, the next thing for us to do is to expand. I've told you the reason for our expansion so that it will be easier for us to identify what is common to the two terms. Okay, so let's go on. In expansion, 5 times p times the p is, we have 2, so p times t. Okay, plus, instead of writing 10 again, make it 2 times 5 times p times t times t times u. Okay, so with what you have done, now let us look for what is common to the two terms. Now we have 5 common to the two of them. 5. What else? 5 common to the two of them. Okay, we have picked 5. 2 is not common, no. So let's go to p. P is common. P, okay, P is here. So circle it, okay. Don't forget this 5, P. Then there's no other P that will complement this in this side. So don't let us circle P again. So T, 1T, 1T, like that. So these are the things that are common to the two parts. Okay, now let's write them out. 5P and T. Let's open a bracket for what is remaining here. So we are having, what do we have left? P, okay, any other thing? No again. So let's go to the addition sign that separates the two terms. Let's write it out, okay? Having done that, the things that are left here, let's write them down. 2 is here, not circled. T is there, okay? And what else? U is there. Good. So you close your bracket. So you're having two terms, okay? You're having two terms that when you multiply them, it will give you this result, okay? So it will be 5P. Let's move our hand a little bit up. We may still have something to work on. So 5PT, open bracket up again. We are trying to put this one together in the bracket. Then the P plus 2TU, close your bracket. So things you've done in this place, let's repeat it here also. Open this one up. So minus 2 times P times U minus, okay, 4 times T times U times U. Don't forget 2, okay? So having done this one, let's, as we did in this place, what is common? Minus, minus, good. Minus here, minus here, we have picked that, okay? What else? 2, yes. Oh, sorry. You know, we are doing our expansion here, okay? So it will be 2 times 2 instead of the 4, okay? So that we'll be able to get our 2 from this place. So it will be, let's pick these 2 and pick 1, 2, okay? We have done for minus and minus is gone, 2 and 2 there. So what else can we see in this place, and we can also see in this place? P, no, we can't see it here, so we are not going to write it here. So U, good. U and U, like that. So those ones that we circle in this term and this term, let us write them out. Minus and minus, written. 2 and 2, written. U, U, written. Now, let's see what we have left. Open up a bracket, just as we did in this place. So you'll be having, what is left? P minus. Okay, now, since it is, we have taken minus out, we are going to have minus divided by minus here, which is going to, minus from what we've done before, minus divided by minus gives us plus. Plus, this cancels this one out. So this one has cancelled this one out. It's going to be plus that you are going to have there. Yes, plus. With what you have done, then let's move on. T. Okay, so we have picked our T. Sorry. Okay, 2 minus. Okay, T. What is left is T. Let's write it. T, then 2 and U. Take note, what I'm trying to do is this. Those things that are left, you know, they are the one we are writing out. The 2 is left, T is left, U is left. When we were circling all those ones that are common, those ones that were left, they are the one we are writing out. And I want you to, let's close it up as we close this one up there. So we'll be having minus 2U in bracket, open a bracket, P plus 2TU. Okay. Yes. So with what you are seeing now, something is common to them that can cancel out here and here. What is that? Okay. P plus 2TU. Oh, okay. So let's write it out. Is here and he said we'll be having P plus 2TU in a bracket. Open another bracket for what is left. What is left in this side? Okay, 5PT is left. Then this one that is here, bring it. It will be minus 2U. Close it up. So from what we have done now, we've been able to factorize the whole expression in this. The effect is this: when you multiply this expression with this expression, this is what you are going to get at the end of the day. I believe it's clear enough. Thank you. So guys, we are back. Before we close this chapter on factorization, I would like to give you the number application of it, okay, in case you come across those ones that are figures and they are not letters as we've been doing. So if you have any questions like, for example now, 4, let's do it on one part, 4 times 5 plus 4 times 6. If you're having something like this and you want to use factorization method to solve it, of course, you know you are going to look for what is common there. And from what you are seeing, 4 is here and 4 is here. So you write your 4, okay? And whatever is left in this place, you write it, which is 4, which is 5. 5 plus, then since this 4 is written out to this place, you are having what left? Okay, you are having 6 left. Now, what I mean by having something left is this: you are carrying out a kind of division. Okay, is 4 times 6 divided by 4. That's what I mean by you are leaving that when you take something, what you have left is so something. I have been applying division method. This one cut this one, and 6 is what we have left. That's what I mean by that. I believe that's clear. So you'll be having 4. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. Good. Write it. So the rule: whatever you have outside the bracket, if the bracket is not separated with minus or plus with that thing, what you do is multiplication. So in this case, what they want you to do is multiply. 4 times 11 is what? Good. 44. So that's our final answer in this place. Now, if you don't want to use factorization method, just say 4 times 5 is what? 20. Okay? 4 times 6 is what? 24. 20 plus 24 is going to give you 44. But in case your examiner may want you to apply factorization method to solve it, that's why we are trying to do this as well. I believe this is clear. Okay, continuing it. So let's go. We have done the positive part. Let's go to the negative number as well. Example: 3 times 6 minus 3 times 2. Okay, so with this, what is common is what? 3. Okay, now 3 times 6 divided by the one that is there, 3. This cancels this. What do you have left? 6. Okay, so open a bracket and write your 6. You are 2 with this side. The 3 that is common is out. The 6 that is left is in the bracket. So the minus, write it. Then this 3 is common, is out. What do you have left? 2. Write it. Close the bracket. Now, 3 into 6 minus 2 is what? 4. Good. Close your bracket. I told you, what did we do in this place? I believe you still remember. Okay, so multiplication. A number inside the bracket, a number outside the bracket. What's the meaning? When they are not separated by plus or minus, multiply, which is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So, guys, we are fine with all questions that we've treated in factorization, from the elementary class down to the advanced class with number application. I know you have a good knowledge of factorization now. Thank you.